Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic number plate bulb. For safety, ensure your car is off and cool. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new bulb, often a 168 or 194 type. Locate the clear plastic housing for the light, usually above the license plate on the trunk. This simple task is quick to complete at home. Once you've located the housing, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the clear plastic cover. There's usually a small notch or opening where you can insert the screwdriver. Apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the plastic or the surrounding paintwork. After the cover is off, you'll see the bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the housing. With the socket in hand, simply pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a little snug, but it should come out without much force. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Before putting everything back together, turn on your car's lights to ensure the new bulb illuminates. This confirms you have a good connection and a working bulb. After confirming the new bulb works, reinsert the socket into the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks into position. Then, carefully snap the clear plastic cover back onto the housing, ensuring it's flush and secure. This completes the bulb replacement. Remember to check your other exterior lights regularly for optimal safety. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.